Sure ako na mag-enjoy mga bagets pag fried chicken ang usapan for lunch. At gagawin pa natin itong mas masaya kasi gagawa tayo ng rich and creamy gravy gamit ang ating natirang cream. For chicken, season natin ito with MAGGI Magic Sarap and pepper. For 1 kilo of chicken, we're gonna be using 2 sachets of MAGGI Magic Sarap. Coat this with flour and fry in hot oil until golden brown. Wow, perfectly golden. For the gravy, gawa muna tayo ng roux. Melt lang tayo ng butter and then ilagay ang flour. After a minute, add tayo ng water and bring this to a simmer. Season natin ito with MAGGI Magic Sarap, MAGGI Savor Classic Liquid Seasoning, and some pepper. Now, to make our gravy creamy, we're going to add in our NESTLÉ all-purpose cream. This will give our gravy a thicker consistency without lumps. Mix well and serve with fried chicken. Now that's a perfect pairing. Abangan nyo ang ating next creation with the rest of our cream.